Your food is sticking, the coating is flaking. Your air fryer just isn't performing like it used to. Sound familiar? The basket is almost always the problem. But here's the thing. Replacing it the wrong way can break your machine entirely. Get the wrong size, wrong brand, or wrong fit, and you've wasted your money on a part that doesn't work. In this video, we show you exactly how to replace an air fryer basket the right way, so your appliance performs like new again. Here's what most people get wrong. They search online for a generic replacement basket. They pick the cheapest option. It arrives, doesn't fit, and now the drawer won't close. Or worse, it fits loosely, overheats, and damages the heating element. Some baskets also use low-quality coatings that release harmful chemicals at high temperatures. A bad basket isn't just frustrating, it's a genuine safety risk. Compatibility matters far more than most people realize. It starts with knowing your exact model number before you buy anything. The solution is straightforward. Step 1. Identify your exact air fryer model number. It's on the bottom label. Step 2. Match the basket dimensions, not just the brand. A 5QT basket will not fit a 3QT unit. Step 3. Check whether the crisper plate is included or sold separately. Many people miss this. Step 4. Look for food-grade PFOA-free non-stick coatings. That is the safety standard you need. Follow these 4 steps and your replacement basket will slide in perfectly on the first try. Let's talk specifics. The Ninja 5 QT air fryer uses air crisp technology. Superheated air at 400 degrees Fahrenheit that surrounds food from every angle. Its non-stick basket and crisper plate hold up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. When replacing this basket, you must match both the basket and the crisper plate. They work as a system. Generic replacements often skip the crisper plate design entirely, and that kills airflow and cooking performance. Always source Ninja-compatible parts to maintain that output. The Cosori TurboBlaze is a serious upgrade. Its TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 revolutions per minute fan system with 5 fan speeds and precise temperature control from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This unit cooks evenly every single time. Replacing the basket on this model requires extra attention. The fan placement affects airflow directly above the basket. A basket that is even slightly too shallow will disrupt that airflow pattern and hurt cooking results. Always check Cosori's official dimensions and prioritize their recommended replacement parts for this specific model. The 14-in-1 versatile air fryer oven is a completely different beast. It combines 7 air fry modes, including dedicated settings for fries, chops, and shrimp. This oven-style unit uses a fry basket that slides onto a wire rack system. Replacing just the basket without replacing the matching rack will cause uneven cooking every time. This unit also comes with a bake pan and rotisserie accessories that all work together. When sourcing replacement parts, confirm rack compatibility, not just basket size. It is a full system. Replace it as one. For large families, the 26QT family-sized air fryer oven is the top choice. It includes a full accessory set: wire rack, bake pan, fry basket, rotisserie fork, and 10 skewers. When a basket wears out in this unit, most people replace only the fry basket and forget the rotisserie basket, which degrades at the same rate. At this size, mismatched accessories create hot spots and uneven cooking throughout. Replace both baskets together. Check the full accessory compatibility list at airfryerguidance.com before you order anything. Airfryerguidance.com exists for one reason: to help you cook faster and eat healthier without the guesswork. Every guide on the site is built around real appliance research, compatibility testing, and honest product comparisons. From top-rated air fryers to healthy cooking tips, air fryer recipes, and the best frozen foods to cook in your air fryer. The site covers everything you need to make smart decisions. Thousands of home cooks trust Air Fryer Guidance every week. That trust is earned through depth, accuracy, and zero filler content. Don't guess on your replacement basket. Get it right the first time. Visit airfryerguidance.com right now for the full compatibility guide, top recommended models, and a complete breakdown of what to look for. Whether you need a 5QT Ninja basket, a Cosori compatible replacement, or a full accessory set for a 26QT oven, every answer is at airfryerguidance.com. Subscribe for new guides every week. Drop your air fryer model in the comments below and we will point you to the exact replacement you need.